Welcome! In front of me I have Realme X7 Max, and today I'll show you how you can switch on this device. So you have to find power key, it's located on the right edge, and then you have to click and hold it. Let's make it right now. Click and hold, keep holding. When you feel vibration and got Realme logo on the screen, it means that the smartphone is turned on, so we have to wait a few moments, and after that your device will be activated and you will be able to use it, and you will get also this kind of the animation on the screen. So that's how you can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.